Let's start.
Recording is on.
Algorithm. You know what is algorithm, right? So let's write. Why you need algorithm? Programming, you know programming. Right? Programming design has two phases. First is algorithm. To solve the problem. Second phase is implementation. That translates algorithm into programming language. Okay. So algorithm itself meaning is step-by-step process. Step-by-step process. So it means if you have a problem, say you want to write program, first you have to write algorithm. What is your steps to do it, right? So let me give you one problem first. Find average of three integers. You have this problem. So in order to write program, first you have to develop the algorithm, then you have to implement that into programming language. Okay? How are you gonna do it? Step by step. For example, first, what are you gonna do? Any idea? You start the program. Second, what do? You need three integers, right? Read three integers. Third step, what do you need to find? Average. So it means compute average. So it will be, if you say here, ABC variables should be equal A plus B plus C divided by 3, right? There's a computation. Fourth step is print average. Fifth step is finish or stop, right? It's simple, right? Step by step process. This is algorithm, right? Step by step process. So it will make sure your programming will be easy for you, programming task. If you have this algorithm, then you want to write program, you don't think a lot because you already write the steps you want to do in program, right? So that's the main advantage of writing algorithms before developing a program. This is a one way of writing algorithm. And another way is through flowchart. Let me open flowchart. Let's see. You heard about flowchart, right? Let's open this. Flowchart is a symbols. Okay. I already all of that finding three integer flowchart. So this uh, symbol, this shape means start. This shape means input or output. This shape means process or process means calculation. And this was input output, right? This was input we use, and this is the output we use. And lastly, we stop the program. So let me show you the flowchart symbols. These are all the flowchart symbols. If you want to use condition like if else, you're going to use this diamond shape. So this is a, for example, if let's say A greater than B, you can write like this. You can put like this, yes, you can put here, no. If no, do that. If yes, do that. Those type of algorithms. So you can write your program before writing into programming language, right? So that's a flowchart. It's simple, but you need to learn other shapes also when you need it. In the future, you want to need it. Right now, you don't need a lot of them. But if you're interested, just research on that so you can play around to learn. So this and this algorithms doing the same thing. Okay, these are the steps we write in simple language, and these are flowchart display of our problem. And next step will be translating this problem into programming language. So we need to open new AI. We need to open a new file, right? Let's see. Average AI index. Okay. Include std right. Okay. First, what we do is start the program, read the integer. So we need to first declare them integers A, B, C. Okay? Then we ask our user to enter their own value. Enter first integer. Okay. Scan A. Let's make it this way. You can copy paste this. This will be the second integer. This will be the third integer. Alright. So now we need to, what we do is, we complete this step. So we have to do this step now. Third step, computation. Integer, let's write average. Average is must be considered that way. Okay. The next step is print the average. Average of three integers. is average. Okay, let's enter the first number. Oh, again, we forgot this symbols. Excuse me. Okay, now it's calculating average. So first integer is a 2, second integer is a 3, third integer is a 4. So if you sum them up, it will be 9 divided by 3 means it's 3. So it's working fine. Oh, we enter another numbers. Okay, it's working fine. So main thing is here, not programming part here. The main point is translating these steps into this programming language, right? This programming uh, part is easy because you know what is the steps you want to do. Because you learning you doing these steps, I think last 2-3 classes, right? So you're familiar. The main thing is here this algorithm. So you should be able to write algorithm. Then you should be able to implement them into programming language. The algorithm could be in flowchart form, or it could be just steps. Either way is fine because both algorithms, both styles is the same, methods are same. The goal is to make the problem easier to solve. Don't just go to programming straight away. First, you sit down and think about it. Then you're going to write program. So that's a flowchart and algorithms and implementation of that algorithm with the programming language. I think uh, that's enough for today. If you have questions, just ask. Right? Don't hesitate. Just ask. Is there any question? Small John, do you have any question?